Alright, today folks, we're building the Lego Technic NASCAR Next Generation Chevrolet Camaro kit. Kit number 42153. So join me today while we put this kit together. There's a big instruction book. Looks like it has 179 steps. A big sticker collage. Bag 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 bags. Some tires. Let's get bag 1 over here. We'll put the tires aside. And let's begin. Open bag 1 up. A lot of little pieces too. So we start with this piece and 2 of these little black things. It's kind of tricky getting that into there. Yeah, now we're on to step 3. Moving right along. It goes like this. This gets a little tricky here. Oh, they show you in the diagram. Yeah, okay, we're doing all right. Yeah, it looks like a camshaft for engine, which means we must have cylinders that show. Yeah, this thing's definitely a lot trickier than the other kits we built. The city kits and the Star Wars kits. A little more advanced. A lot easier to screw things up on it. But not too hard to fix them if you mess them up. Alright, now we're on to step 14. Oh, these get pushed in now. Okay, I got you. Now it just keeps spinning around. All right. I haven't built one of these Technic sets in years. They're fun though. We got it. Tricky business. Step 19 over here. That's why it's important to pull all the pieces out in front first for the step you're doing. Because when we get to these more complicated kits, can end up missing steps when you don't have all the pieces out. If you just nowadays, they make it so nice to have the numbers on the kits. They didn't do that in the past. It was more tricky back then. On to step 21 now. Follow instructions, they say. Follow the instructions. Yep. Do it the right way. Follow the instructions. Mess it up, do it twice. Do it nice. Okay. That's a steering wheel that does absolutely nothing. Okay, that's cool. Anywho, moving right along. 2 of these and 4 of these. Almost done with bag number 1. Only 3 more bags to go. Oh, notice we didn't have any Lego characters to put together in this set. I guess you don't get that privilege on these Baker Kid sets. Alright, step 29. Moving right along. Helps if you do it right the first time. I just wonder how they think up all these steps, you know, all this creation. Kind of cool how they do it, but how the heck do they come up with this stuff? Guess somebody had to. Alright, that concludes bag number 1. So we're gonna, that's what we get with bag number 1. Alright, we're moving along right now. We're into bag number 2. We got some pieces left over, so I think we'll just push those aside. It's empty bag number 2 now. This is step 30. Alright, so we'll put that aside because it looks like we got another section here we're going to build. So I hope you're enjoying the video. Consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel, because we do all sorts of different things on this channel. Every day is a new adventure. Might be building a Lego kit today because it's raining outside. Tomorrow maybe taking a hike. You never know. Okay, it looks like we're building the, I'm going to think the rear wheels, because we got a little gearbox thing here. It's like the, what do you call it, the pumpkin or the, I don't know what they call it in auto mechanics. I think it's like a nickname of pumpkin. Oh, what? I'm supposed to put that all in while it's in there? Well, they didn't show that in the step. Look at. I was following this diagram, and I look down here, and I'm supposed to do it all inside of there. Okay, like I said before, we do it twice because we do it nice. That's just practice. Practice, practice makes perfect. Alright, moving right along to step 36 here. So apparently this is supposed to go that way. Okay. Push it in there. Let's fix it. This is what I mean by everything gets held together. See? This piece keeps this thing from separating. Which is a good idea. 2 of these on step 46 here. I'm going to give you guys the luxury of watching this in fast play, like 10x fast. Well, I've been putting together piece by piece, I'll let you know. While we get over to step 51 here, I'm not going to put you through the pain and agony of piece by piece. You might just get bored. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. We got a lot more to go here. We're going through bag 2 right now, and we got bag 3 and 4 to go through also. this one goes together too now. Yeah, hold on, we gotta fix this. I did something wrong. This whole thing's wrong. It's gotta be. It shows like a small black gear, but yeah, it's probably supposed to be this one. I think I put the wrong gear on. Man, messing this thing up. Hold on, we'll get it right. We'll get it right. All right, that's a lot better. Now she actually turns over. She turns over and this piece isn't falling off. So that's okay, that's better. Tricky business here. Continue right along on step 65 now. Okay, we get our first sticker for this one. Sticker 18. Man, there's a lot of stickers. Wish me luck. Okay. We got it. That wasn't too bad. Looks okay. Oh dear. Okay, step 84. That's step 88. Continuing next, we're going to be doing bag 3. Okay, we're continuing along now on bag 3. We're going to dump that bag out. This one's got some bigger pieces in it. Step 89. Such a hard time pushing these things on before. I wonder if they changed their designs or something. All right, on to step 97 and moving right along. Our best line up with this other sticker that's already on here. That's pretty good. And Remember, we still got one more part bag after this one. We're on part bag 3 here. We did bags 1 and 2. And we got bag 4 to do after this one. Alright, step 134. Anybody out there watch NASCAR racing? It's kind of interesting. I don't mind watching it once in a while. Especially when they have a big crash. That's always interesting. But I'm sure it's not fun for the drivers. You gotta be pretty daring to be able to drive a race car on that track so fast. How dangerous it is. Back to some ordinary pieces. Standard Legos. Not too many of those in this kit. Almost done with part bag 3. We go on to part bag 4 next. That one looks like bigger pieces, so we'll see how long that one takes us. Okay, next is part bag 4. Alright, we're continuing along here with part bag 4. Building our NASCAR racer car here. So let's empty that bag out. We get the wheels in part bag 4. Some bigger pieces, and then some smaller ones again. This is the final part bag of the kit. After this, these steps will be complete. complete. We're complete. Well, there you have it, folks. There's the NASCAR car. The 672-piece set. So check it out. It's complete. Pretty cool, huh? I appreciate you watching. Consider giving a like. And subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.